Take your social media production skills to the next level with Content Creators, the innovative new program from PCS Edventures. Designed specifically for grades 6 through 12, Content Creators teaches students to think like modern media makers as they explore branding, visual communication, and digital design. The program scaffolds student learning by focusing on the fundamentals of good design first and following up with hands-on practice using professional quality tools and software. Following Bloom's taxonomy, this 12-lesson set begins with foundational concepts in media literacy and visual design, then moves students into deeper analysis, creative decision-making, and original content creation. As the program progresses, students learn how message, audience, and platform work together, creating eye-catching story graphics and cohesive branded assets using the tools and skills of real-world graphic designers. Just like professional designers, learners move through an iterative design process, responding to a client's needs, creating assets, sharing ideas, and refining their work through feedback. Inside the box, you'll find an intro letter with a detailed unpacking list. Materials include the educator guide with all lesson plans, student sketchbooks, and pencils to support brainstorming, planning, and design work, 15 pro-grade digital drawing tablets, and 15 mice, plus your digital resource license key for gaining access to the digital curriculum and lesson slides. Aligned to media literacy and digital learning standards, Content Creators makes it easy for educators to deliver a creative, relevant program that helps students communicate with purpose in today's digital world. Bring Content Creators to your learners and inspire the next generation of skilled, thoughtful, and confident digital artists.